ये जो शाहनवाज भाई जो काम कर रहे हैं ना कैलकुलेशंस का, दिस इज़ द बैकबोन। ये बैकबोन है किसी भी प्रोफेशन की, मेडिकल प्रोफेशन के अंदर, नर्सिस हो जाएं, डॉक्टर्स हो जाएं, डेंटिस्ट हो जाएं, जिनके लिए भी इनको डोज एडजस्टमेंट की बहुत ज़रूरत है हॉस्पिटल के अंदर, क्लिनिक्स के अंदर। ठीक है, आपने टैबलेट देनी है, कैप्सूल देना है, इंजेक्शन देना है, ड्रिप लगानी है। तो ये कई लोगों को नहीं पता होता, कई लोगों को ना इसका अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस कितनी है। नैनोग्राम, माइक्रोग्राम, मिलीग्राम, ठीक है, तो ग्राम्स के अंदर। तो इसलिए जो है ना कि ये बड़ा अच्छा काम है। अगर आप चैनल को फॉलो करके जो बेसिक्स ही अगर आप समझ लेते हैं तो आपका काम हो जाएगा। और दूसरी जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, मैंने इधर भी देखा है, मैंने यूरोप में भी देखा है, कई इस तरह के प्रोफेशनल लोग हैं कि जिनको बेसिक्स इतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है। और इसमें कोई शर्म वाली बात नहीं है, और इसमें कोई किसी किस्म की जो है ना, ये हेजिटेट नहीं करना कि यार कि मैं अब डॉक्टर बन गया हूँ, मैं नर्स बन गया हूँ, मैं फार्मासिस्ट हूँ। ठीक है, तो मैं जो है ना कुछ अब ना सीखूं मैं। ठीक है, इंसान पूरी ज़िंदगी सीखता है। ठीक है ना, पूरी ज़िंदगी सीखता है। ठीक है, तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा जो है ना, ये इनका स्पोर्टिव काम है, तो इसको सारे लोग सपोर्ट करें इंशाल्लाह।
यूके स्टाइल भी आ जाए ना थोड़ा सा बीच में, देसी भी आ जाता है, उर्दू भी आ जाता है, यूके स्टाइल रहता है।
देखिए पता क्या बात है शहनाज भाई, हम लोग यहाँ से गए हैं, मेरी ग्रेजुएशन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पंजाब लाहौर से थी।
अच्छा।
तो उधर जाके इंग्लिश में पढ़ा सीखा। तो आई नो शाहनवाज for a very long time. It's nearly 5 years. I was qualified from University of Punjab, Lahore in '93. Then I moved to London. I did my MBA in finance and marketing, and it took me nearly 10 years to be a qualified pharmacist in UK. And after that, I worked for Boots for a few years. Then 2010, I started my own pharmacy under the name of Mint Pharmacy. And I worked there and worked hard. Now we are the only pharmacy in whole of Scotland, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, which is fully robotic. We all the robots, we do RDS, robotic dispensing system. We go VBM, they make all the blister pack and bubble packs, and then a couple of other robots. And now where we stand, and when I met Shahnawaz Bhai in 2019 when my dad wasn't well, and I seen him growing, and I seen his passion for nursing, for education. And my son, who just graduated a couple of weeks ago from London as a doctor, and he followed his YouTube channel, and he sent me a few videos recently. The video I like most is about the calculation. I told just 5 minutes before in Urdu, Punjabi, how important is your calculation is. When you are giving any medicine, tablets, injection, or any injectables, and to understand what are you administrating the patient, and that he's working on. And it's not a big deal. You shouldn't be shy, you shouldn't be hesitate if you don't know something, because I come across the people, especially people, they come from Pakistan and they start working and they want to work in UK, America, Australia or Canada. They struggle with the calculation because our mathematics is little bit different. Our understanding of the calculation and mathematics is very, very different. So we need to learn, we need to follow. There are few books, I can send the copy to Shahnawaz Bhai, and he can actually introduce you on his next YouTube channel, which is I can provide for the nurses and the pharmacists, right? And the pharmacists and doctors, they work together in the hospital in the UK, and they try to sort the things together. If they want to adjust the doses or how much and the tablet or injectables they want to give, they speak to the pharmacist. That's why I fully support Shahnawaz Bhai channel, and I want everyone to watch, learn, and the most important thing is that, right, you need to question. If you don't understand anything, you need to ask Shahnawaz Bhai, what's the right answer or what's the right way and how to solve it. and he's a very sportive man, and hopefully he will help you. And I wish good luck to all of them. And and a dua from Allah, Allah Ta'ala gave him more and more, tarakki and success in their coming life. Okay, assalamu alaikum.
Thanks, Mubashir bhai, for your support. Inshallah, you guys need your support from your side day by day, because right now my channel is not monetized and I am in process of monetization. So request all of you kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Stay with us. God bless you.